EV. None of them. They do just as much harm to the environment as regular oil burning.
Probably the Mach-E Mustang. It's fast. They got a GT model. It's 4 doors and it's Ford. So
honestly, I like the new Beast Cybertrucks. Ooh, knock that out. The new Hummer. You cannot beat the Hummer. All-wheel drive burnouts, come on.
My favorite EV, I would say, would have to be a Tesla because I own one.
It's a golf cart, man. I like golf carts, man. Yeah. You can cruise around on anywhere, man. You take you to the beach, go out and have a good time.
I don't know, man. I ain't been around much. I like the Mach-E, but I like the Tesla more. Honestly, I like the Tesla more.
What is my favorite electric vehicle? A Tesla, of course.
I'm a Tesla guy. Yeah, I do like the Kias and Hyundais. I think they got a lot of cool style and stuff. Personally, I don't think the charging network is as good with all of those, so they're kind of annoying to, like, if you want to go on a road trip or something like that. So, got to go Tesla.
I don't like electric vehicles. I'm old-fashioned, so if I had to have one, the F-150 Lightning.
What's your favorite EV?
The who? What? Where? Why? When? The who? What the hell?
Electronic vehicle, like Tesla.
I don't. I hate them. Give me gas, buddy. All muscle cars. Hell with that.